Hello from Slovenia again. So here it is, the fourth of my experiments with black, pearl white, gold and copper. I will link all first three ones in the description box because we are doing a comparison with how the layering of colors impact our composition, our overall color palette. Yeah, they are same colors, but if you layer them differently, they will end up differently, or how can I say? So I was thinking what I want to do this time, and I decided that I will go with black and pearl white and gold and copper today. I don't know, because there is so many variations. And I will really ask you if you can tell me in the comments if you want me to continue with this to see the difference. If you like that, because I will do my next video after this one will be a video where I will have all four dried results and explain why, how, more in details, because as I said, people don't like to watch long videos anymore. I can do it live too, to go more in the details of how, why. In these videos I basically just show you that there is a difference, but don't explain a lot because it will be too long, and algorithms lately don't like that, or how can I say, or people don't like that, all the above. So yeah, I will pour a little bit of pearl white here to pour in, and again I have paint that I scraped from the previous one that I will use for the corners, that I can reuse it. So the technique, again, beginner technique, straight pour, jiggle pour. Straight pour, jiggle pour are basically the same. Straight pour, you just hold your hand still. Jiggle pour, you go in kind of little jiggle motions, and then I will do some skewer. So I will go close. If you go slower, your fingerlings are bigger, or how can I say? And my pearl white mixture, it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white, and that's why I get this cloudy look and some nice cells too, hopefully like that. So as I already said, in those pours I don't like those middle parts in the straight pour. That's why I will rag them and create some fingerlings, featherings. I don't like this part either, so okie doke. Now I will just add some of those scrape-offs here around. They will get off the canvas when I will tilt, so there will not stay these muddy colors here on the canvas. Don't worry about that. I will maybe this time do that. Just spread this around to wet my MDF board. I'm working on MDF board. You can use canvas. It's not there is not a difference. I like this black and white, pearl white together because those fingerlings are gorgeous. I will walk to this side first. Go over, okay? And first I will cover the whole thing, and then I will work on composition a little more. To the last corner. Okie doke. Now I will stretch this part a little more and get rid of this top part a little bit. So now I will put this on my spinner a little to this side because I want to spin out and tilt a little bit of this off. You have to be careful when you do that. Don't spin too hard because it can fly off. I think I'm good with that. Now I just want to tilt this off because just kind of ruins the flow for my taste. Yeah, much better. Okay, I'm done and I like it. So I will torch it and take you down for a close-up of the wet results. I really like this one. And because of the pearl white, you know, you get this ethereal kind of look that I really like. You know, that you can almost see through, not almost, you can see through. And still get some nice lines, some negative space, so yeah. Probably this one is my favorite from all four of them, but let them see how they will dry. So stay tuned for the dried results. Wow. So here is the dried results of our fourth one. Wow. This is my favorite so far. So many gorgeous things. I like the black on the bottom to, you know, have it like a negative space. I like this gold parts over the pearl white, like, you know, something on top. I like this part a lot. So yeah, this one is definitely my favorite. I like that there is more gold. And I think that black and pearl white next to each other are my favorite combination of this layering. So yeah, because I like these fingerlings here with black. Yeah, this one is definitely my favorite so far. I have another one with pearl white on the bottom. This will be the 5th one, and at the end of the next one I will bring out all 5 of them and we will talk through them a little bit. And for the next week I will have another series of experimenting with. I think that I want to do one with different consistencies, so I'm not sure the technique yet. So maybe not for next week because I will film them today, but maybe for another series, what you want me to do comparison for the next series. Maybe you can suggest the technique, the color combination, what you want to see, that it will help you maybe with your pours. So this is it for today. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to check other 3, and tomorrow will be the final one. Bye!